bad news, me tell what's not blow your mind out. Never know about we, but now you find out some boy just a do it for the cloud. Me talks them active, the dogs them accurate. Started the reaction. Hey, what's up YouTube? It's about Tariq Vlogs, aka the Reaction Boss, and we are back in effect with another reaction for you guys. Comment on this video to see your commentary right over there in the next video that I post. Belize, what going on? Now right now people, everybody right now, Reaction Boss, you take a little minor vacation because a lot of things happen in the past 2 months. You understand me? It was forced upon me. You know I like post every day. Y'all know I like to post videos every single day, numerous times for the day, 2 to 3 to 4 times for the day. You understand me? Because a lot of things happen, and I think I'll make a video explain all of that too. I should have did that from before I took the break, but we're not talking about that right now. Right now I talk about King Brack, song called Active and / Accurate official video. No, I like the video already. This is the reaction channel, so make sure you subscribe to this channel. We're on the road to 10K over here, so subscribe to the main channel. We're supposed to bang a video them because after I make some money on YouTube, so subscribe to the main channel. Make us see what's going on right now. Earn it, young legend. Bumbo clad.
Yo, Andrew Peng, them kill my friend.
Bumbo clad. Yo, Andrew Peng. And what them gonna do? They gonna kill King Brack friend? Go rasted!
Yeah, step on the bad man turn.
Them kill me friend them. Yeah. Them make me feel pain. Show me some murder for murder. Some pussy them think. Who remember say this a murder for murder? Somebody there for dead. Who forgot say him say that? DJ Perf make never tell them say King Brack sing that song there. DJ Perf pick up yourself to another. Go on. Say again. From them kill Jarvis, we still a whole malice. Any pussy try this, me I go vanish. Hear that? Them a wonderland like Alice. Shot them up, cut them head like cabbage. Pussy left in no man and not land savage. That fine. Yeah, if you are still cabbage. Go like a photo casing in a Spanish. Any pussy miss me, dog. Them a going up in a something where them can't manage. Me talks them active. The dogs them accurate. Alright. If you want start it, dog, we put shot in a face. All of me dogs them active. The dogs them accurate. I'm telling you, to see one thing. You see when the man them get to active and accurate and straight them man and miss them fire. Them man them train with the military, them train with the US Army. Them man are active and accurate. Them no miss. Them man shoot out your foot and get shot in your foot. You see me? I say go on.
We don't need one bag of man, figure one can shell on your play.
No one bag of man.
We want, not land, we no love man.
Yeah.
We fuck y'all, bust gun, sing song. Big man, so the thing done. So you know the link land from.
Well, the party can't play one time. Not like man, let me go put yourself to you, but go do. Oh fuck girl and sing Bumbo Cobell song. Go on.
Figure one can shell on your play.
Listen yo.
We want, not land, we no love man. We fuck y'all, bust gun, sing song. Big man, so the thing done. So you know the link long from England. Straight as Belize to Afghanistan. New York, Kingston. Link Trinidad when time the thing land. Pneumatic in a hand, you know it not jump car. Me have a pattern with style and fashion. Kick off them head like gold, get a slatan. I went to that one face hard like iron. They ever want punch him, call me love Mayan. See them and shoot them shot.
That's let him want punch because him love him blood clot. And people, right, if I saying about people want to see BFI emoji in my comment section. People want to see BFI emoji in my comment section right now. As you mean I say? And if you don't subscribe to the channel right now. Drop the fire emoji. Come on, let you listen to me, dog. Just watch video now, comment the fire emojis them, dog. Like, just some fire emojis, dog. Thank you. Earn it.
Man beat, like say them bad and me know them weak. If I want them walk up feet, boy stop read the team and go look a little fish. Because them active, the bloods them accurate. Start it if you want start it. Dog, we put shot in a face. All of me thugs them active.
Hold on. So them shot my boy in them foot and call up the boss and say, yo, Brack, Catch your boy in a dog. And I must take him little time and I walk on the Bumba Class street. Like I said, nobody not go pass the street. No car not go pass on the street. You see me? I said, nobody not go pass. You see me? Nobody not call the police because shot just fire. No, that not go on. No, that not happen. That not happen in them show you. No, sir.
Accurate. We don't need one bag of man. Figure walk and shell on your face. Me used to chop grass before me chop man. A soup done, we used to stop man. Vatican brought me gun down in a fraction. Your ranking dog, give a damn.
That right, pick up yourself.
It's not London, you go find out. Brand new Smith and Wesson, I blow your mind out. Never know about we, but now you find out. Some boy just a do it for the clown. Me talks them active. Me dogs them accurate. Start it if you want start it. Dog, we put shot in a face. All of me dogs them active. The dogs them accurate. We don't need one bag of man. Figure walk and shell on your place.
Bumbuckler. That time body see me see some more. Not too far enough, far. Dog I play guitar with the Bumbuckler gun dog. Hey. Hold them now. Hold them down. Pick up yourself, you know, Mr. Brack. You don't know a chap, you know. R.I.P. bro God. R.I.P. Pick up yourself. You see me I say, your brother don't forget it. Your brother still there. I make big song and I mention the same way. You don't know a chap already. But big up on yourself, you know, people. Thank you for the view. You see me, thank for the like, the subscribe. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe right now. You see me, so I'm back with the posting every single day. And I'm trying to post numerous times for the day. You understand me? But you don't know a chap already. Reaction Boss. Signing out. Peace.